What is up, everyone? This is Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Chrome update error code 7 or 0x80040801. So let's get right into this. So if you're getting this error, the easiest way to fix this is to go to your search bar and type in services until you see this page pop up. In here, you're going to look for something that says Google Chrome Google updater service, basically this specific one. There's like a few things here, but the main one you care for is the Google updater service that you see right here. In this one, you want to first right click into this and then click into properties. You want to make sure this is on automatic and it's not stopped, it's basically started. If it is started, you can also restart it. So I'm going to show you. You go back, right click into it, you can restart it if it is started. So doing this, restart your computer, you should be good to go, and you should not have this error persist any longer and should be able to update your Chrome. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys want a video, please thumbs up, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'm Tutorials out. Peace.